Okay, so now here's another example of a triangle and given a point. But in this case, I'm not going to draw the exact point, but I'm going to use the triangle to figure it out nonetheless. Now, so here I have a point. I'm given a point 7.27, comma 4.19. And so all I do is I draw my right triangle, because remember that every single point I can draw a right triangle on the Cartesian plane. So I've got, here's my point, and so I know the vertical distance is y and the horizontal distance is x. So always remember this is, I got x, y, and this is r. So it's always x, y, and r. Excuse me. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem to find r. So again, I just set it up. R squared equals what? X squared plus y squared, which equals 7.27 squared plus 4.19 squared. Okay? And so when I take the square root of both sides, that's going to be the square root of 7.27 squared plus 4.19 squared. Okay, so now when I stick that in my calculator, what do you get? You get 8.545. Okay, so that's R. Okay, so there it is. That's my R value. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to show, now R is rounded off, by the way, okay? Now, it is not actually necessary to record the value of R because its value can be stored in memory in the calculator, okay? Now, the reason for recording it here is just to show you the value of the calculation so you can see it for yourself and get the correct answer. Okay, now, here are the following values that we can use. Okay, so sine theta, so now all I'm going to do is I'm going to use the three sides to fill in the values here. So sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So this is going to be 4.19 divided by 8.545. And then cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So that's going to be 7.27 over 8.545. Okay. And then tangent is opposite over adjacent. So that's going to be what? That's going to be 4.19 over 7.27. Right? And the next three are just reciprocals. So cosecant is inverse or the reciprocal of sine. Okay? So cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So that's going to be what? 8.545 over 4.19. And then secant is the reciprocal of cosine. So that's going to be 8.545 over 7.27. Okay, and then cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So this is going to be 7.27 divided by 4.19. Okay, so now if I want the approximate answers for these, then I would just write down, let's see here, 5.525. Okay, cosine of this is going to be 851.851. Tangent theta is going to equal 0.618. And then cosecant is 1.90. Secant, 1.18. And then of course cotangent is 1.62. What was it? 1.62? Yeah, 1.62. Okay, and now in this case, these are all approximates. These are all approximate values rounded to 2 decimal places, or 3 decimal places. Or in this case, 3 significant digits. Okay? Let's see here. Yeah, so just again, for more accuracy, when you get to this answer, whatever your answer in the calculator, store this in your calculator and then use that stored value for all of these and you'll get more accurate results. Okay, so just again, one way to just use the calculator to get more accurate results. And I think that's all I want to say. Let's see here. Nope, that's it. So I'll see you next time. Have a great day.